In this video, I'm going to show you how to up-level your sentences using adjectives. So the easiest way to do this is to place a strong adjective right before you have a noun. And that helps us to describe the noun and adds extra information to your sentence. As well as that, it is a Year 5 grammar feature and therefore you'll be up-leveling your work without having to put too much energy into it. So what we'll do first is we'll take a red pen and we will identify the nouns. So nouns are naming words, so they're name of things. So pig is a noun, milk is a thing, it's an item, it's a noun, and box is a noun as well as kitchen. Okay, so we've got 4 nouns here that we could use. Now notice I haven't underlined Fern, and that's because Fern is a pronoun, so that is Fern's name. You can also use adjectives before that, but right now we're going to focus on these regular nouns here. So I have a list of strong adjectives. The reason we choose strong adjectives as opposed to regular adjectives is because they make your writing more exciting. And therefore you're showing that actually your level of vocabulary is higher. So what we will do is we will look at the first noun, which is pig, and I'm going to have a look, and I think I will use the word friendly to describe the pig. It's Wilbur, we know he's friendly. So if I start again underneath, and I will move these out of the way. So Fern fed the, and I'm just going to pop it in a different colour so it's really obvious where that adjective is. Friendly. So there is my adjective, and then we're going to continue. Pig. So you haven't got rid of any words, you're simply adding some extra in. Now here I've got milk as well. So I'm going to use an adjective to describe the milk. So I'm going to use the word delicious. Delicious milk. Back to the black pen. Milk. And placed him. Place is a verb, it's something you do. Him in the, and then we can describe the box. Okay, now he's only a little pig, he's a piglet, so I'm just going to say he's in the small box. You could use more powerful vocabulary than that. You could say the minute, minuscule. I'm just going to go for small for now. Small box, and we know that is in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Now, as with all sentences, we finish with a full stop. Check we've got the capital letters in the right place, check my spellings, and I'm happy with that. So what we started out with was a basic sentence saying Fern fed the pig some milk and placed him in a box in the kitchen. It's a very standard sentence. Yes, we've got capital letters, yes, we've got full stops, we have 4 nouns, and we have no adjectives to describe them. So instead we have changed it to Fern fed the friendly pig some delicious milk and placed him in the small box in the kitchen. Have a go, see if you can pick some different adjectives and create a more powerful sentence.